If you're like me, it's always a bit of a struggle to throw away pretty pieces of paper, even if they are just offcuts from watercolor paper. So I'd just like to show you two very simple ideas of things that I have done with my watercolor offcuts. The one is I've just stitched them together, making a very simple little book. This little book just has a little tab which slots under the stitching. And when I open this out, I've got really nice heavyweight 300 grams watercolor paper, and here you can see that the pictures and the color that's on here is of no value whatsoever, but I am able to come in with pen and wording and other kinds of paints on top of this and be able to reuse this paper, something that I think I'm going to have fun doing. But what I'm going to show you next is what really has made me excited. A little while ago, I was in need of some boxes to send some stuff off to the charity shop. So I went to our local bottle store, or you might call them liquor stores, and they gave me some boxes. And inside one of the boxes was a piece of cardboard shaped like this. And this is card that came from a box that had 6 wine bottles in. So this is just the inside. The cardboard was already interlinked, so it doesn't actually fall apart, and they're not slotted in, so it's not going to slide apart. They're actually looped in. And what it means now is that as I've glued my watercolor strips onto this background, I've got a whole lot of little windows that open and close in different ways. So virtually almost every time I turn this book, there's a different kind of scene coming through, and I'm really excited about this. So the cardboard itself was just like a recycled brown cardboard, and you can see here that I've just dry brushed it with white acrylic to begin with, just to get rid of that brown effect, because you'll see on the background of the paper there's a lot of white. And I'm now very chuffed to be able to go in and maybe do something. Maybe with this one I will extend the stem a little bit and put some fruit on there, I'm not sure. It might be just a nice opportunity to write down my thoughts for the day, some quotes perhaps. I might decide to go in there with pen and try something else with the pen. But whatever it is, it's a really nice little flip journal just from a piece of recycled card. If it works out nicely, I could actually place it on a table like that as a conversation piece. You will see that it also has this sort of like little window door, which could be left semi-open if you wanted to place it on a table for people to look at. Yeah, it's just a fun little journal. It packs flat, so it's not going to use a lot of space. And as I say, just because of the nature of what the actual cardboard is doing, flipping backwards and forwards, I'm really excited about working on this one. So please subscribe to my channel for future videos to be able to get those on your news feed. Like the video if you've enjoyed it. And please comment, because I'd love to hear from you, and I'd certainly like to hear if you've tried this and know what your feedback is like. Bye for now.